start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I've had a little Kiki London box turn up. I always love these kickers. Stickers. I always love these stickers. They're cute, aren't they? Please excuse my right hand. I'm in the middle of doing something with them. So shall we have a look what I got? So this is their brand new reflective gel polish collection. Look at that label, and they are holographic. Can you tell? Look at these labels, all different colours. Look at the holo. So there's 6 in this oh my gosh, look at this. So there's 6 in this collection. Oh, look at this green, and then we've got what might be a copper colour. Yeah, 6 in this brand new reflective gel polish collection. I'm going to leave all links below. I've got a discount code and everything, and I've also got a black and a white, because I haven't got a black and a white from Kiki London. So their black is called Black Heart, and the white is called Coconut. So these all are in their 7.3 ml bottles. Same with the new reflective gel, they're in the 7.3 ml. So shall we have a look at what we've got? Just going to give them a quick swatch today, guys, and I'll do something with them in my next video. So what colours have we got? So the green one is called Drama Green. Did I mention as well, guys, these are all vegan and cruelty free as well. We've got the ingredients on the back, which we all like to see. So yeah, we've got Drama Green, we've got Winterberry, Snow Fairy, Black Galaxy, Brown Billionaire, and lastly we have got Cosmic Sky. So I'm not going to do them in any particular order, just whatever swatch stick I pick up first. BL15, because they have got numbers as well. See, this one is called Cosmic Sky, but it's got a number, BL15. So it looks like we're starting with this one. Guys, look what I can see when I open this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at that sparkle. These are going to be stunning for Christmas and New Year, aren't they? That sparkle is amazing. So let's get swatching. Can you see this? Oh my gosh. So I am just going to do 2 thin coats. You could probably get away with 1 coat if you're putting them over a colour. But yeah, over a clear, I would do 2 thin coats. They are quite a thick gel. Anything that's got glitters in does tend to be thicker. Otherwise, all these particles would just drop to the bottom if it was a thin gel. So they do always tend to be a little bit thicker, things with glitter in. Oh my gosh. I've got reflective gels, but I don't think mine are holographic. Wow. That sparkle is crazy, isn't it? So this one is Black Galaxy. I don't think I've got a black one. This has got a perfect name, hasn't it? Black Galaxy. I think this is going to be a nice one for New Year with golds or silvers. Wow, look at that. The colours coming out of that is crazy, isn't it? That's beautiful. Right, then next we have got Snow Fairy. These labels are beautiful, aren't they? Oh, this is bit of a champagne gold, I think. A silvery, like an antique kind of silver. But I do think it's got a slight champagne-y kind of tinge to it, hasn't it? It's hard to see with the flash and lights on, but I'm going to show you at the end what they look like under different lights. Look at this sparkle. That's amazing. That's going to be perfect for New Year. Oh my gosh. Right guys, I'm just gonna fly through these last 3 now. But I will show you what they are. So this one is Winterberry. This one is Brown Billionaire. And lastly, we have got Drama Green. Right guys, so that's them all swatched. I've seen a lot of these reflective gels. I've not seen very many hollow ones. They are stunning. This champagne one for New Year is beautiful. So let me just turn off one of these lights to give you a better idea. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that green. The black looks like it's got little LED lights in it. Aren't they amazing, guys? They are stunning. Something else, aren't they? They are something else. So that's what they would look like, just in and about your house with no lights whatsoever. I know I've got lights on, but none of them are shining on these directly, so you're not getting that reflection. So that's what they would look like with kind of no direct light on them, but any kind of light gets flickered on them. Ta-da! Yeah, love them. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I'm going to go and have a think what to do with these. I haven't got a clue. But yeah, that is it. Just a quickie. I'll leave links below. I'll leave my discount code below. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.